GOBA is the Great Ohio Bike Adventure. Been around for 35 years. Every year we choose a different location within Ohio, and so we move the tour. We have been in this location before, I think in 2016, something like that. And we bring in 900 riders, and then we partner with the city to be able to exploit and expose the goodness of Hamilton and the county itself. I think the feedback we've been getting from the staff side is that a great deal of friendliness, openness. The downtown renovations have been very welcoming. There's been a great deal of welcoming within the county itself. So we as an organization love coming through the different communities and working with the different folks, the local communities, and being able to financially support. I mean, it's all about enjoying the local economy and the community and making sure that the towns, are taken care of financially.